pee in my bed.
You will pee in your bed.
No, I won't.
You need to go pee.
I won't pee in my bed. You know what? It's only with the night. I only pee in the night. I don't pee in the morning. I don't pee on my nap. No, I don't. No, I sure don't. There's only one time when I did that. So, it's not going to happen again. I'm a big girl now. And that was when I am free. When I peed in my bed. So no, 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 no. No, I don't need to go pee. And I don't need to go pee because I don't need to go pee. The only when I was 3. No, I don't need to
Go pee.
Now I will kick your phone. I'm serious.
All right, let's go night-night.
No, 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 no. You will not afford that. No, it's no. It's no. I will not pee in my bed. I will not go pee. If you say that one more time, I
Okay.
will not go pee.
I'm sorry. You don't have to go. Okay, go.
I'm not going to pee. Now, can you please stop the video? Because
Yes.
that was a single video, not a... okay, can you just...
For sure.